Welcome back for my final daily report market analysis video with me, Richard, pair market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday, 26th of June. This gold chart is really interesting. We've had this sharp run higher. I mean, if you look at the fact that you started the move basically from 1320 a couple of weeks ago up to 1439, that's almost $120 worth of gain in just 2 weeks. Really strong move higher, and you can see that we're starting to see the move coming back and unwinding. We saw the correction coming on the back of Jerome Powell's comments yesterday, and already $30 pretty much off those highs. So on the technicals, on the daily chart, you haven't really seen any correction signals yet, and you wouldn't really suggest that that is a negative candle from yesterday. There was a positive close and still not a million miles off the midpoint of the session. However, what we have seen is the market falling quite sharply again today. We're now 1% down, so that's $14 down on the day. No real sell signals yet either on the momentum indicators. RSI is still in the high 70s. MACD line is still rising. Stochastics have crossed, but not under confirmation yet. And so you'd be looking out for a much nearer term signals, I think, to really point towards whether this is going to start to come through as a correction. Now, what we've got is the initial reaction low at 1421. That's been broken, formed a little bit of a top pattern, you could argue. What would that measure? $18. So 1420 to 8 from $18 from 1421 is around about $1,400. Now $1,400, obviously, apart from being psychological, is a bit of a near-term pivot as well. So a little bit of a corrective move back towards that is potentially underway. We've seen a move under 1410, which is again an old breakout high, which has become a basis of resistance. So there's a bit of a pivot now forming at 1410. That old high has become a basis of resistance this morning. Now we're seeing these momentum indicators on the hourly chart taking on a bit more of a corrective look. The MACD line is going well below neutral, the RSI. Hitting 30 but not quite below 30, so not yet really massively corrective, although below 40 has been pretty much the limit of, throughout the run higher you haven't really seen a move below 40 on the hourly RSI, so there is more of a corrective move that's starting to form, and certainly if the market fell below $1,400, I would really suggest that would be a real corrective sell signal. You've got 1382 as a reaction though, that comes back into play. You've got plenty of room really to unwind. You've got the 21-day moving average, 1346, so there is a lot of room for an unwinding move if it were to come. Now you've got the 23.6% fib at around 1399, so again adds weight to that support around $1,400 area. So again, a closing move below that opens 38.2, which is 1373. That's of the fib retracement, I should say, of 1269 up to 1439 area. So lots going on gold today, but I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.